Greggs is turning its attention away from sausage rolls to focus on rolling out an evening food service. The bakery chain has already started trialling hot food at 100 of its stores across the UK, with a menu including potato wedges, chicken goujons and hot pasta dishes. And it also plans to extend opening hours to target commuters on the way home from work. The move follows the company's foray into hot breakfast food, which includes porridge, bacon rolls and almond croissants. It also recently started selling hot sandwiches such as ham and cheese toasties and Katsu chicken wraps. Greggs chief executive Roger Whiteside said, "We have competed successfully against the fast food operators in breakfast, and now we intend to compete successfully against them in evening food too." There will be some seating in some shops, and if we get the menu right, then some shops will provide a delivery service. Greggs reported a 7.4% rise in sales last year. According to Hargreaves Lansdown, if a Greggs fan had invested £1,000 in the firm when it first listed in 1984, they would have more than £248,600 today, equivalent to 276,244 sausage rolls.